Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Fatma Kiko. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since I've posted anything. Yeah, due to it was Ramadan. I was busy with classes and stuff, but so I've not left. I'm back. So today we are going to do a quick video on how to prepare a homemade chips and chicken. So I'll start by preparing the garlic. Nitaanza kutayarisha kitunguu saumu, so I'm going to grind it using the Costan grinder. Hiyo kitu ya kupondia kinu na kipondeo cha kupondia kitunguu saumu plus the ginger here. So if you love this video at the end of it, kindly subscribe, don't forget to share and show some love, and thank you for the support. Here are the chips and the chicken. Ni kifua mbili. It's me and my mom only, so nimezisok na maji zitoe so that I can wash them later on after prepare the garlic and stuff. So yeah. Okay, sasa hapa kuna hiyo kitunguu saumu, as you can see, na hii hapa ni kinu na kipondeo, so I'm going to be grinding it. Yeah, hivyo tunaponda. Yeah, it's a little bit shaky. Tunaiponda hadi ilainike. Okay, after nimeshaitoa maji, naenda kuweka the garlic stuff. Yeah. I'm going to put the garlic kwanza. Okay, after nimeweka hiyo kitunguu saumu, I have to rub it kila mahali. Yeah, everywhere. Make sure everywhere imeingia. Everywhere, kila mahali imeingia vizuri. Yeah. And then I will leave it. Yeah, these are my ingredients for the chips. And then you leave it like that to soak. Hiyo unaiacha kwanza uhakikishe kila hiyo the ingredients zinaingia everywhere, as you can see. Then we're going to give it to 15 to 30 minutes, then I start preparing it. Yeah, so stay tuned. So I had to change it into a smaller basin so that the chips I can put it in a much bigger basin yenye iko na space, so that nilikuwa neke chumvi, salt, chipo zikae. So yeah, we're going to give it a rest. Guys, as you can see, after the 30 minutes, hizi nimekelea the pan niongoje mafuta ya boil, alafu I put my chips over there. Yeah. Tunangojea chipo mafuta ipate tupike chipo. Here are the things that I want to use to make my salad. This is my cabbage, my onions, and my cucumber. Yeah, we like chips, as in it is nice eating chips with salad. So this is how I'm going to prepare the salad. Yeah, I'm cutting my onions small, kidogo. You'll see the end of it. So I think oil imepata moto. Yeah, we're gonna drop some chips. This is the final look of my salad. Here is my cucumber, my onions, and my cabbage. Yeah, sasa tunangoja chipo ziive. I fry my chicken. See, this is my chicken. It has soaked. See, there is water over there. It has soaked. I think it's ready to be cooked. Yeah. Chips. And my chips zinaendelea kuiva pole with no pressure. These are the uncooked ones. These are the cooked ones. Yeah. You can see chipo saizi kindla zimeiva. Yeah, nitakuzitoa. Tunaenda kuweka round 2 of the chips. These are the cooked ones, as you can see. I want to put this is a lemon. Napenda kuweka my salad some lemon, so I'm going to sprinkle some lemon to make the the kind of sour taste on it. I hope it has imeingia kila mahali. Yeah. Yeah. Let me test it. Kutamu. Acha nitoe the seeds. Now my chips are ready cooked. Nishamalizana kupika na chipo. So naenda kwenda ku deep fry the chicken. What? It's so big. Naingia kumoja peke yake. It's so big that naingia kumoja alone. One minute. See? One down. Bado ingine for my mom. I'm done with my cooking, the 2 chickens, the chips, my salad, plus my bananas, 2 plates for me and my mom. So we're going to serve the food. Yeah, it looks so yummy. Like I can't wait to taste the chicken. It smells so cute. And this is the final look. Here I have my cucumber, my onions, chips, my chicken with a glass of soda. Sorry. Yeah, with a soda. Ready to eat. Yeah, so if you like this video at the end of it, kindly subscribe to it, show some love, and let's eat.